Best Free AI Article Generator for 2024. Go- If you would like to try the ultimate article and SEO wizard, it's free. The link is pinned in the comments. Gone are the days of the blank page dread, every writer's silent nemesis. I've been there, caught in the relentless cycle of deadlines, always in search of that elusive spark of creativity. Then, an unexpected twist came from ChatGPT's creators, marking the dawn of a new era with the best free AI article generator. This innovation made it possible for anyone to create custom GPTs tailored to myriad tasks. Suddenly, the floodgates were open, and thousands of custom GPTs sprang up overnight, each promising to be the solution writers have been seeking. However, this explosion of innovation brought its own challenge. With a GPT store brimming with options, finding the perfect custom GPT for specific needs felt like a daunting task. Faced with this dilemma, I decided to take matters into my own hands. After delving deep into AI intricacies and countless trials, I crafted my own solution, a custom AI article generator. More than just a tool, it became my antidote to clutter, a guiding light in the sea of GPT options. This journey wasn't solely about conquering obstacles. It showcased the transformative power of determination and innovation in action. It highlighted a crucial lesson. Amidst a sea of choices, the ultimate solution may only materialize when you create it. Let's explore how this reshapes our writing, offering a tailored, efficient, and personal touch to our creative endeavors. The evolution of AI in writing. The journey of AI in writing is a tale of relentless innovation. From basic spell checkers to today's sophisticated AI writing assistants, technology profoundly alters how we create content. The debut of ChatGPT marked a milestone, providing writers a tool for context understanding and diverse, coherent text generation. This leap ignited a revolution, enabling unprecedented efficiency and creativity on a previously unimaginable scale. Navigating the world of custom GPTs. The advent of custom GPTs opened a Pandora's box of potential. Suddenly, anyone could tailor AI to their specific writing needs, unleashing a flood of custom GPTs into the market. This abundance, however, came with its own set of challenges. Finding the perfect fit in a sea of options felt like searching for a diamond in the rough. The marketplace was overwhelming, cluttered with tools of varying quality and specialization. It was this very challenge that led me down the path of innovation. Frustrated by inefficiencies, I embarked on a journey to create a uniquely tailored tool driven by a need for understanding. This journey wasn't just about finding a solution, it was about redefining AI-assisted writing, making it personal, efficient, and tailored. Crafting the custom AI article generator began as a journey into the unknown, fueled by curiosity and frustration. The clear goal: create an AI tool to generate and synchronize with human creativity's nuances. The process was intricate, involving countless hours of coding, testing, and refining. Every step forward presented challenges, from achieving natural linguistic flow to ensuring adaptability and learning capabilities in the AI. This phase was pivotal, transforming the initial concept into a functional, dynamic tool. Programming for searcher intent. The custom AI article generator advanced significantly with the integration of searcher intent comprehension into its programming. This was not merely an enhancement, it was a fundamental shift in how the tool approached content creation. Through analyzing search patterns and leveraging SEO insights, I taught the AI to categorize user intent behind search queries. This capability elevated the AI from a basic content producer to a sophisticated creator, tailoring articles to audience interests and needs. For instance, when creating content on eco-friendly living, the AI distinguishes if the searcher seeks tips, products, or philosophical insights. The impact on content creation. Incorporating searcher intent into the custom AI article generator revolutionized my content creation process. Suddenly, articles were not just relevant, they were targeted, engaging, and more likely to satisfy the reader's quest for information. This alignment with user intent not only enhanced the quality of the content, but significantly improved its SEO performance, making it more discoverable to those it was crafted for. The broader implications were profound. Fellow writers and content creators who utilized the tool reported similar gains, noting how it freed them to focus more on creativity and less on the mechanics of SEO. The generator had become more than a writing aid. It was a bridge connecting creators with their audience through a deep understanding of intent and context. This development marked a new era in AI-assisted content creation, highlighting the potential of technology to not only streamline the writing process, but to enrich the connection between writers and readers through targeted, meaningful content. Looking at the future of AI in writing. As we stand on the brink of a new era in content creation, the future of AI in writing looks promising. Innovations in AI and machine learning continue to push the boundaries of what's possible, making it an exciting time for writers and content creators. The evolution of AI tools like the custom AI article generator is just the beginning. We're moving toward more intuitive, collaborative platforms that understand not just the what, but the why behind our writing needs. For more insights into the evolving landscape of AI and content creation and how it's revolutionizing SEO practices, consider the profound capabilities of AI as discussed in Generative AI and SEO, Revolutionizing Content Creation by Yoast. Bridging technology and creativity. The journey with my custom AI article generator has not only streamlined my writing process, but has deeply impacted how I connect with my audience. As technology continues to evolve, the key will be to maintain this delicate balance between leveraging AI for efficiency and nurturing the human creativity that resonates with readers. The future lies in creating tools that enhance our creative expression, not replace it. For a deeper understanding of how AI can transform your content strategy, explore the Ultimate Article and SEO Wizard and ChatGPT for blog writing, ChatGPT tutorial, where I share more about leveraging AI for writing. If you would like to try the Ultimate Article and SEO Wizard, it's free. The link is pinned in the comments.